Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I will be showing you how to make traditional caldo de pollo, also known as Mexican-style chicken soup. It is important to know that this is very different from traditional American chicken soup. One of the reasons being that it does not contain any noodles. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and I truly hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Now this here is the ingredient list of what you are going to need. You're more than welcome to screenshot it or pause it to write it down. This dish is enjoyed year-round, and we're also very infamous for making it on especially hot days, but it's very good to enjoy when you feel like you're coming down with a cold or to keep your immune system in check, and also during flu season. These immune system boosting veggies are also going to be accompanied by lemon that is known to help treat flu, cold, and fever, as well as throat infections. Make sure the chicken you use is the bone-in chicken so that you are able to create your own chicken bone broth. Alongside of that, you're gonna want either chicken broth or if you don't wanna use chicken broth, you can go with a more traditional approach and use the Caldo de Pollo, which is also known as chicken broiling. You do not need to have the chicken bone broth or chicken broth if you don't want to, because you are using bone-in chicken. And the whole point in that is so you can create your own bone broth anyway. And having the Caldo de Pollo, also known as chicken broiling, enhances the flavor of the soup. And this here is just me showing you how I like to cut them. The beauty of this dish is that it does not need to have perfectly chopped veggies. I just like to cut them in thick chunks, so in fourths. Some of the many health benefits of the root vegetables used in this dish include, but are not limited to, being high in fiber, a good source of vitamins A and C, known to aid with weight loss, maintain healthy skin and eyes, and contain anti-cancer antioxidants. It is also known to lower cholesterol and improve heart health, as well as fight cancer and cognitive disorders. The chicken used in this dish offer a variety of health benefits, as well as the chicken bone that you are adding. The health benefits of the bone broth you are going to be creating include, but are not limited to, promoting a healthy gut, help your liver detox, help reduce inflammations, help fight infections, soothe skin, and promote a good sleep. It is also known to help the joint and muscle pain. The many health benefits of cabbage include the following: packed with fiber, lower cholesterol, and powerful for the immune system. Therefore, it's a powerful immune booster. Like I said, this recipe here is going to keep your immune system in check. It's also known to prevent cancer and help relieve hypertension, as well as be super low in calories and good for weight loss. The health benefits of tomatoes include boost immunity, help heart health, lower cholesterol, and be an anti-inflammatory. It is also known to reduce migraines, promote healthy skin, and purify the blood. Some of the many health benefits of the onion include preventing cancer, protects the brain, aids in digestion, purify the blood, be an antibiotic, antiseptic. It is also known to assist respiratory issues and strengthen the bone. Health benefit in garlic include aiding in weight loss, aiding in digestion, antifungal, boosts the immune system, and helps with cold and flu prevention. So I really wanted to sneak that in there so you guys can see all of the health benefits that this has to offer you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a big pot and you're gonna incorporate everything in all at the same time. So including the raw chicken and all of the veggies. We're gonna throw them all in there, and then we're gonna add water. We're gonna add about 8 cups of water. If you're gonna be using chicken broth, like the prepared chicken broth, then add about 6 cups of water and then add the chicken broth. And then you're gonna put it on low heat and let simmer covered for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 12 minutes. Make sure you go in continuously to make sure that the water is not evaporating. If you see the water getting lower, then just add more water, no big deal. And then of course you're gonna wanna put in some of the chicken broiling and some lemon. Next is for you to have fun with your herbs. I just gave you guys a sample of the herbs I like to use, but those are not to limit you. Use your imagination. I also want to make note that if you're going for a low sodium, you're gonna wanna use low sodium chicken broth and or water with a little bit of the chicken broiling. And if you don't want to use any like spices to your soup, you don't have to. You can get this here. This is a salt-free option. It still adds a lot of flavor. Use your senses when adding all of your herbs. Don't worry about adding too much. You really can't go wrong when it comes to adding herbs. Once everything has been thoroughly cooked, you can taste it. If you feel it's too salty, add some more water. If you feel it doesn't have enough flavor, add some more lemon and herbs. You can also add a little bit more chicken broil in. Make sure you do not taste it until everything is thoroughly cooked, because you are working with raw chicken. You do not want to get salmonella. To make sure that everything is ready, you're just gonna get a knife or a fork and very carefully stab into the root vegetables to see if they're soft, and also checking your chicken. This is the perfect one pot wonder. Not much of a mess at all. You just use one pot. And this here is your end result. As you can see, it is served alongside of some chile quemada and some Mexican rice, as well as some corn tortillas. If you do not have any chile, you can go buy some store-bought kind, or if you want, you can even use some salsa, because you're using fresh ingredients like tomatoes and garlic, onion, and cilantro and lime. I can go on and on about all of the health benefits that has to offer. So if you don't have chile, or you feel it may be too spicy, get some salsa. The reason why I highly recommend getting chile or a spicy salsa is because if you are eating this during cold season or for flu season, or you feel like you're getting the sniffles, the chile will clear out your sinuses immediately. It is just, everything about this just says good immune system, or keeping your immunity in check during cold or flu season, and of course year round. This here is just a bonus of how you can serve it to children. Just make it the way I made it. And then you're just gonna get some of the veggies on the side and just chop them up a little bit fine for your little one using a knife or even a fork. And then you're gonna incorporate your broth. Some people like to add chile to it. I don't, because I make it for my family as well as children in my family. So I don't like to add the chile inside. I make it like this, and people can add as much chile as they want to their preference. So that's how you're gonna give it to your little angels. It is very beneficial for your little ones to enjoy this, especially because they go to school and they mingle with other kids that they don't know at the park, and because they're still growing and developing. Giving this to them year round, you know, is great. It's gonna keep them full, and it's gonna keep them healthy, and it's gonna help keep their immune system in check. I like to give it to my daughter with a rolled up corn tortilla so that she can dip it. I also like to make sure I add the Mexican rice inside of it for some extra starch, some extra flavor and color. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.